Hello there, Till with a mal-tiempo report. Things have cooled off a bit, just a smidge or something, but still plenty to talk about. Pero primero en español, sí. Esta es Tormenta Tropical Raymond, o este es Raymond, sí. Y Raymond está moviendo hacia aquí. Y entonces por aquí o algo así. Y finalmente Raymond está demasiado lejos de la Tierra. Raymond está por aquí. Y creo que no tiene peligros, no tiene ningunos peligros afectando tierra o algo así. Y esta es una zona de probabilidad en el Atlántico de 20%. Y esta zona es asociado, no sé, con los remanentes del Renzo, sí, pero tiene solo una probabilidad de 20% y 20% en los próximos 5 días. También es la verdad. En el noroeste pacífico hay 2 tormentas. Un tifón Lekima y tormenta tropical Francisco. Y Francisco, ¿dónde está la satélite? La satélite unzoomed o algo. Este es Lekima y este es Francisco también. En las áreas del mar tiene avisos de tormenta por aquí en rojo, zonas de rojo algo, y de gale por aquí, por aquí. Y en las áreas del tierra tiene avisos de lluvias, avisos de olas altas en algunas partes, avisos de inundaciones y avisos de olas altas por aquí. Olas altas por aquí, sí, es la verdad. Y advertencias por todo. O para más cosas. Para cosas, sí. Algo así. Y en el Pacífico Sur tiene una zona de probabilidad de null. Null. Según el Fiji, no tiene una definida, no tiene una probabilidad seguro. Una probabilidad segura. Y por aquí en el Índico Sur, según el JTWC, tiene una zona de probabilidad de mediana y está moviendo por aquí. Está moviendo por aquí, sí. Toujours. Siempre es la palabra en español, sí. Y eso es todo en español para hoy. So yes, in English. So this thing has finally moved, this thing, who has a name, Raymond, Tropical Storm Raymond, has finally moved far enough away from Mexico. No land hazards on that one, I do believe. But predicted to re-strengthen and then curve back around, so potentially some dangerous surf conditions maybe in the future for Baja California Sur or something of the sort, but don't know yet. And then 20% chance of tropical cyclone formation on this thing. Not expected to be in a favorable area. Only a 20% in the next 5 days as well. And yeah, this is the remnants of Lorenzo on that one. And then over here, we got the 2 storms that started out quite far away from each other. But now if you, of course, I closed that tab. Of course I would. Let's see where it is. So if you look at the one where it's farther zoomed out, you can see both of them, Lekima and Francisco. So they are pretty close to one another at the moment. And this thing is still a typhoon. This thing, I believe, JMA calling it a severe tropical storm at the moment. And in the marine warnings, all of this storm warnings, gale warnings for all of those areas. And depending on which of these you look at, you either have warnings for heavy rain, and there was heavy warning for flooding, I think, down near the bottom here. And then for some of these areas, warnings for high waves. So yes, lots of stuff going on with that. There you go, high waves. And then over in the South Pacific Basin, Fiji's outlook, they talk about its TD03F. So third tropical depression of the new year. So this is probably being tracked as a 2014 storm. F for Fiji, I do believe is how it works. But they didn't actually give it a chance, so it just says null chance. So who knows? It didn't say if it's a low or anything. I don't know what to make of that. And then per J2WC, this thing still medium chance of tropical cyclone formation. Let's in fact see if we've got it on the satellite. Yes. So I don't actually know. I'm going to assume it's this thing, but it could be that one too. I'd need to see a loop or something, or maybe it... Who knows? Who knows? Not a tropical cyclone yet, but a medium chance that it could turn into something on that one. Now, of course, it's already something. I should say, medium chance that it officially becomes a tropical cyclone. There's obviously some clouds and showers over there and stuff going on. So yes, and now we've gone to the part where that is under, I think, the default map view. That's completely off the map. So, and that's as far zoomed out as the map gets. So that is a problem. Right. So that is what is going on in the land of tropical cyclones, in the land of US severe thunderstorm weather. Nothing today, so we just jumped to tomorrow, where there's your thunderstorm. And again, I zoom out when I'm trying to zoom the page. There's your thunderstorm chance in general tomorrow. And there is where the actual severe thunderstorms are predicted. So 5% chance tomorrow might be higher by the time that tomorrow rolls around. That's why you pay attention. Pay attention in general. It's a good thing to do. That's right. SevereWeatherTV.com is the official homepage of this screencast. WickedWix is WICKEDWX.com. And Cyclocane is CYCLOCANE.com. And that is it for today. And hopefully you're staying safe out there.